We are now looking at a Giva ticket. Using the power of OpenAI, Giva has created a private and secure integration called Giva Copilot to gain access to artificial intelligence technology. Giva Copilot uses Microsoft Azure, which ensures all customer data remains private and HIPAA compliant. AI can help agents and managers significantly increase their productivity and ultimately increase customer satisfaction. A complex ticket can take a significant amount of time and effort to understand by reading all the notes, and so the first Copilot capability can generate a ticket summary. When viewing a ticket, click the Summarize Ticket button. This will open a dialog box showing the summary, including customer sentiment and proposed next steps. You can also copy the results to your computer's clipboard, which might be useful to be able to paste into an email, for example. The next capability is for agents to use the power of AI to help rewrite a ticket subject, resolution, or public and private note. Giva's Copilot can rewrite content into a more positive and customer-friendly tone or expand terse and concise text into more detailed instructions. After entering some text, click Copilot, and you will be shown a suggested revision of what you typed. You can have it try again by clicking Copilot again, and you can repeat this as many times as you would like. If you decide to use a response, you can keep the response, and it will automatically be copied to the ticket form field. Giva's Copilot rewriting capabilities also allow for retrieving and formatting generally available information from the internet, such as how to perform a common task, etc. For example, if you enter a how-to request and then click Copilot, it will display the steps on how to do that. This saves agents time in retrieving the information initially, wording it in an appropriate manner, and then formatting it for inclusion in the ticket. Note that Giva has not trained the AI engine on our customer data. However, while AI-generated responses from internet sources may look accurate, agents should always be sure to verify them for accuracy. Let's look at some other examples. If an agent enters another reply in the History Note field and clicks Copilot, they will be shown a more customer-friendly worded response. This is a straightforward rewrite. The AI engine takes a typical situation that many businesses have and creates an empathetic, friendly, and positive rewrite to send to customers. And here is another example of a rewrite scenario. If an agent enters another how-to request, they will be shown a formatted version of the steps of that. Again, agents should always carefully review responses for accuracy. Now let's talk about administration. Giva Copilot is an option that can be disabled or enabled for each Service Desk or instance of Giva that you use. We know that some organizations are just now determining their policies on AI usage, so Giva Copilot can be easily disabled and then enabled later on. Just ask the person in your organization that has access to the Giva administration section and look at this section for additional settings. There are a number of other settings that your administrator can manage, and it is all simple to understand and well documented.